Jazz, and today I want to show you the Lux ANC wireless earbuds. Now, we have tested dozens of earbud sets, and we are so excited to share these with you because this is such a premium set. Now, let's go into all the details. First, let's talk about this case. It is absolutely gorgeous. Not only is it a fabric case, it also has this really nice snap magnetic closure, and you can even turn it upside down. These earbuds aren't going anywhere. You'll also notice an LCD digital display that tells you exactly where your battery is at, so you're never guessing. Now, this also comes with 2 sets of additional silicone ear tips for a custom fit and a USB-C cord for charging. These are active noise canceling earbuds, and they have 3 modes. The first mode is full active noise canceling, and that takes out the low rumbles like an office or an airplane or even just the wind. Mode 2 is transparency mode, and that allows certain frequencies to come in so that you can hear your surroundings for better awareness and safety. Now, I love this one because it allows me to have a conversation with people without ever having to take out my earbuds. Mode 3 helps you to save your battery life by shutting off the active noise canceling completely. Now, lastly, there is one extra mode that's optional. It's called low latency game mode, and that allows your devices to sync up faster so that there's no lag. That means that you can use it for your video games or video editing, but do be advised, it does use more battery life. We usually don't brag about the microphones, but this one is really extraordinary. It'll be perfect for your video calls and your phone calls. You can feel rest assured that you will sound crystal clear. You can control all of these functions with a light tap on the earbuds in order to skip tracks, play pause, answer calls, or activate voice assistants like Siri and Google. These earbuds have all of the features you could possibly want, and you'll be able to take them to the gym, work, or even traveling. And they are a quality set with a fantastic sound and an amazing mic. So you're getting quality at a price that is so much lower than you'd expect. Why don't you head down to Pulse TV and grab yours today?